Imagine a life where your income continues to grow, even while you sleep. That's the power of passive income, and today we're diving deep into how you can build it. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about smart, sustainable strategies that generate cash flow with minimal ongoing effort. We'll break down the core pillars: online businesses, investments, and real estate. First, let's talk online businesses. Think creating and selling digital products, books, online courses, graphic templates, or even stock photos on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Once created, these can generate sales repeatedly. Another avenue is affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products through your content, like a blog or YouTube channel. Next, investments are a classic. Dividend-paying stocks put money directly into your pocket on a regular basis. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, allow you to invest in real estate portfolios without directly owning property, offering rental income and potential appreciation. Even passive index funds, which track market segments, can grow your wealth over time. Finally, real estate offers significant passive income potential. Owning rental properties can provide steady monthly income if direct management feels daunting. Consider becoming a limited partner in real estate ventures or exploring crowdfunding platforms that pool investor capital for larger projects. The key is diversification. By building multiple passive income streams, you create a robust financial foundation that can insulate you from economic fluctuations and pave the way to true financial freedom. Start small, educate yourself, and be consistent. The journey to passive income is achievable for anyone willing to put in the upfront work. Subscribe for more strategies on achieving your financial goals.